What tools do I need to replace motorcycle valve stem caps? If you are wondering what tools you need to replace motorcycle valve stem caps, you are in the right spot. This task is simple and requires only a few basic tools. Let's break it down step by step. First, you will need the new valve stem caps. These caps come in various styles and materials, such as plastic and metal. Some even have built-in valve core removers, which can make your job easier. Next, consider getting a valve core remover tool. This small tool is handy for unscrewing and removing the valve core inside the valve stem. While it is not always necessary for just replacing the cap, it is useful if you need to deflate the tire or replace the valve core itself. If you plan to replace the entire valve stem, a valve stem puller tool will be helpful. This tool allows you to pull the valve stem through the rim hole without causing any damage. If you do not have a dedicated valve stem puller, you might be tempted to use pliers. However, this is not recommended, as it can damage the stem or the rim. In some cases, you may need to remove the wheel or tire to access the valve stem. If that is the case, you will need tire removal tools like tire irons or levers. These tools help break the bead and remove the tire from the rim. A lubricant can also be useful to ease the tire off the rim. After replacing the valve stem cap or valve stem, you will need to inflate the tire. An air pump or compressor with a compatible nozzle for motorcycle tires is necessary for this step. Now, let's go through the practical steps for replacing the valve stem caps. Start by unscrewing the old valve stem cap by hand. Take a moment to inspect the valve core for any damage or leaks. Next, screw on the new valve stem cap by hand until it is snug. If you are using a valve stem cap with a built-in core remover, you can remove and reinstall the valve core if needed. Remember to avoid using random tools like pliers directly on the valve stem cap, as this can lead to damage. If you need to remove the valve core, a dedicated valve core remover tool is the best choice to prevent any issues. For a full valve stem replacement, removing the tire may be necessary, which requires additional tools and steps. For just replacing motorcycle valve stem caps, you typically only need the new caps and possibly a valve core remover if you want to check or replace the valve core. For more involved replacements, having a valve stem puller, tire irons, and an air pump will make the process smoother.